Hey guys, Tay here, Black Dog Salvage, in our showroom, and I am sitting at what is one of my new favorite pieces that I've built down in the shop. Dad's got a new venture here in town. He bought an old machine shop, the old Price Filler machine shop downtown, and in it we found this really cool machine base. There was no machine on it other than a bench grinder, but that was probably not its original purpose. So we pulled it out of that building, brought it down to our shop, and turned it into, of course, a bar. But it's not just a bar. It could be a table, it could be a kitchen island. The top is made from a domestic hardwood called catalpa. We incorporated two Bosch toolboxes, these old metal toolboxes that slide on rails underneath both sides. Make a nice noise. The standoffs here we also found in the machine shop. There are 4 auger bits, which are kind of odd. They didn't have tips, they were just auger shafts, but they were too cool not to incorporate, and we needed to raise this up so it could be stand-up bar height. So it's a very versatile piece. It has a small footprint. We even took some old 1.5 inch rebar and made a footrest. So got all kinds of uses. One of my favorite builds from season 9, so don't miss that, and check it out online on our Facebook page and blackdogsalvage.com.